Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an Australian student visa application letter for Subclass 500. This letter is used when applying for an Australian student visa to study at a registered educational institution in Australia. Immigration officers review this letter to understand your study plans, financial readiness, and genuine intention to study in Australia. Now let's go through it step by step, so you know exactly what to write, why each part is important, and how to write it properly. Check this out. Sender's information. This section contains your personal contact details. Write your full name, complete residential address, phone number and email address. Example, Daniel Christopher Lee, 45 Maple Avenue, Toronto, Ontario, M5V2H1. Canada, +1 647 555 2189. danieli@email.com. This information is important because it identifies who is submitting the visa application and provides contact details for communication if immigration officers need clarification. It also ensures your application is properly linked to your personal records. Make sure your contact details match the information provided in your official documents. Date. Write the date using the Australian format, which is day, month, year. Example, 30 April 2026. The date shows when your visa application letter was officially prepared. It also helps immigration officers confirm that the information provided is recent and relevant to your course commencement date. Use the same date format consistently across all supporting documents. Recipient information. This section identifies the authority reviewing your application. Example, Department of Home Affairs. Australian Government. Including this ensures your letter is formally directed to the correct immigration department. It gives your application letter an official and professional structure. Write this exactly as shown in official Australian immigration documents. Subject line. Write the visa category clearly. Example, subject, student visa application letter, subclass 500. This immediately tells immigration officers what type of application the letter supports. It also helps organize your documents during processing. Always include the correct visa subclass number. Salutation. Example, Dear Visa Officer, this is the opening greeting of your letter. It formally addresses the immigration officer reviewing your application and helps maintain professional structure throughout the document. Keep this section simple and formal. First paragraph, purpose of application. This paragraph states the purpose of your letter. Example, I am writing to formally apply for an Australian student visa, subclass 500, to pursue my studies in Australia. This is important because it immediately tells immigration officers why you are submitting the letter. It establishes the main purpose of your application from the beginning. Keep this statement direct and clear. Second paragraph, personal information. Here, introduce yourself. Include your full name, date of birth, passport number, nationality. Example, my name is Daniel Christopher Lee, born on March 15, 2004, holding passport number CA1234567, and I am a citizen of Canada. This section confirms your identity and allows immigration officers to match the letter with your passport and application records. It ensures there is no confusion regarding the applicant's identity. Double-check these details carefully before submission. Third paragraph, course and institution details. Write details about your enrolled course. Include institution name, course start date, course end date, COE number. Example, I have received an offer of enrollment from the University of Melbourne to undertake a Bachelor of Information Technology, commencing on the 15th of July 2026, and expected to be completed on the 30th of June 2029. My confirmation of enrollment, COE number, is COE 1234568. This section proves that you have secured admission to an Australian educational institution. It also confirms that your visa application is supported by an official enrollment record. Ensure these details match your confirmation of enrollment exactly. Fourth paragraph, reason for choosing the course. Explain why you selected this institution and course. Example, I have chosen to study at the University of Melbourne because of its strong academic reputation, quality education system, and the relevance of this course to my future career goals. This program will provide me with the knowledge and practical skills necessary to pursue a career as a software engineer in Canada. This paragraph helps immigration officers assess whether your study plans are genuine and academically reasonable. It also demonstrates that your chosen program aligns with your long-term career goals. Be specific about how the course connects to your future plans. Fifth paragraph, educational background. Write about your previous education. Include academic qualifications, relevant achievements, previous studies. Example, my educational background includes completion of my high school diploma with distinction in mathematics and computer science, along with additional certification in programming fundamentals. This section shows that your academic background supports your chosen course of study. It helps establish logical academic progression. Highlight qualifications that are relevant to the course you plan to study. Sixth paragraph, financial capacity. State your ability to fund your studies. Example, I have sufficient financial capacity to cover my tuition fees, living expenses, travel costs, and overseas student health cover, OSHC, for the duration of my stay in Australia. This is important because immigration officers must confirm that you can financially support yourself while studying. It reduces concerns about financial hardship during your stay. Your financial evidence must support this statement. Seventh paragraph, source of funding. Choose the statement that matches your situation, if self-funded. Example, I will personally finance my studies using my savings and financial resources. This shows that you have independent financial stability. It helps immigration officers verify that your study plans are financially realistic. Provide clear bank statements as proof. If sponsored by family. Example, my studies will be financially supported by Michael Lee, who is my father. This clarifies who is responsible for funding your studies. It also helps immigration officers assess the financial credibility of the sponsor. Attach sponsorship documents and proof of relationship. Eighth paragraph, visa compliance statement. Confirm your understanding of visa conditions. Example, I fully understand the conditions of the student visa, Subclass 500, and confirm that I will comply with all visa requirements, including maintaining full-time enrollment and leaving Australia upon completion of my studies, unless otherwise legally permitted. This reassures immigration officers that you understand your responsibilities as an international student. It strengthens the credibility of your application. Keep this statement professional and direct. Ninth paragraph, future intentions. State your plans after completing your studies. Example, my intention is solely to obtain a quality education in Australia and return to Canada after completing my studies to apply the skills and knowledge gained. This is important because it demonstrates genuine temporary entrant intentions. Immigration officers need to see that your primary purpose is education. Clearly connect your studies to future opportunities in your home country. 10th paragraph, supporting documents. List the documents attached to your application. Example, attached to this application are the supporting documents, including copy of passport, confirmation of enrollment, COE, academic transcripts and certificates, English language proficiency test results, financial evidence, overseas student health cover documentation, genuine student requirement documents. These documents support the claims made in your application letter and provide official verification. Strong documentation significantly improves the strength of your application. Submit updated and clearly readable copies only. 11th paragraph, formal request. Request consideration of your application. Example, I respectfully request your consideration of my application for an Australian student visa, Subclass 500. This formally asks immigration officers to review your application. It keeps the letter respectful and professionally structured. Keep this sentence concise. Thank you paragraph. This is your professional courtesy statement. Example, thank you for your time and consideration. This adds a respectful closing tone to your letter. It helps maintain professionalism until the end of the document. Keep it short and polite. Closing. Write the formal closing. Example, yours faithfully. This marks the official end of the letter and completes its structure. It keeps your application professionally presented. Use the same closing style in official visa correspondence. Add your signature if submitting a printed copy. The signature confirms authenticity and verifies that the letter was personally issued by you. It adds credibility to your application. Use blue or black ink for printed submissions. Write your full legal name below the signature. Example, Daniel Christopher Lee. This connects your signature to your official identity and confirms authorship of the letter. It must match your passport exactly. Before submitting, carefully review your letter and ensure all supporting documents are attached. A complete and accurate student visa application letter can significantly strengthen your Subclass 500 application. That's it for today's tutorial on how to write an Australian student visa application letter for Subclass 500. I hope this explanation helps you write your letter correctly and confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing tutorials and letter templates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.